Pigeons, scientifically known as Columbolivia, are a group of birds belonging to the Columbidae family, which is one of the most widespread and recognizable families of birds on the planet. These birds are incredibly adaptable and resilient, thriving in a variety of environments across the world, from cities to rural farmlands, and even remote islands. The most common species, the rock pigeon, is found in virtually every part of the world and has become deeply ingrained in human history and culture. Pigeons have long been associated with human societies, serving as symbols of peace, love, and communication. Yet, beyond their cultural symbolism, pigeons are fascinating creatures with remarkable biological and behavioral traits that have earned them a place of both admiration and curiosity in the natural world. Pigeons are medium-sized birds with a broad, sturdy body, short legs, and a small head. Their plumage can range from white to gray to iridescent colors, and they have a distinctive, soft cooing call that is easily recognized. Their wings are adapted for powerful flight, allowing them to fly at high speeds and for long distances. One of the most striking features of pigeons is their incredible homing ability, which has been the subject of research and fascination for centuries. Pigeons have an innate ability to navigate and find their way back to their home roosts, even when they are transported over vast distances or disoriented. This homing instinct is believed to be linked to a complex set of navigational cues, including the Earth's magnetic field, the sun's position, and visual landmarks. This ability has made pigeons invaluable to humans throughout history, particularly in communication. Historically, pigeons were used as messenger birds during times of war, where they carried messages over great distances. Their ability to return to their home roosts, even after being released far away, made them the ideal medium for long-distance communication before the advent of modern technologies such as telegraphs and radios. In fact, during World War I and World War II, pigeons played a crucial role in delivering messages to and from the battlefield. One of the most famous pigeons in history, named Sher Ami, served with the U.S. Army Signal Corps during World War I, delivering a vital message despite being injured in the process. Sher Ami was honored for its bravery, and its story is a testament to the critical role pigeons have played in human history. Pigeons are not only important in war and communication but have also been integral to human culture and symbolism. In many cultures, pigeons have been revered for their peaceful nature. The dove, a close relative of the pigeon, is particularly associated with peace and purity in Western religious traditions, notably in Christianity. The image of a dove holding an olive branch is a well-known symbol of peace, stemming from the biblical story of Noah's Ark, where a dove brought back an olive leaf to show that the floodwaters were receding. In Eastern traditions, pigeons are often seen as symbols of love and fidelity, as they are monogamous and form strong pair bonds that last for life. Pigeons and doves have also been depicted in art, literature, and music throughout history, symbolizing love, hope, and harmony. Their soft cooing sounds have a soothing, almost meditative quality, which may explain why these birds are often associated with tranquility and calm. Pigeons are incredibly social birds that often form large flocks, particularly in urban environments where food and shelter are abundant. These flocks are typically composed of individuals from the same family or neighborhood, and pigeons often display a strong sense of community. They communicate with one another through a variety of vocalizations and body language, which include cooing, wing displays, and courtship rituals. Pigeons have also been observed engaging in mutual preening, a behavior that strengthens social bonds and helps keep their plumage clean. This social behavior is vital to their survival, as it ensures that pigeons are able to maintain relationships with other members of their group, allowing them to cooperate in finding food, avoiding predators, and raising offspring. Pigeons are omnivorous birds, meaning that their diet consists of a wide variety of food, including seeds, grains, fruits, and even small insects. In urban areas, pigeons have adapted to scavenging food scraps left behind by humans, often foraging in parks, city streets, and plazas. Pigeons are known to have a particular fondness for grains, such as corn, wheat, and rice, which is why they are often seen around agricultural fields or near human settlements. Despite their omnivorous nature, pigeons have a specialized digestive system that allows them to efficiently process their food. Their crop, a part of their digestive tract, stores food temporarily before it moves to the stomach for further digestion. Pigeons are also known for their ability to drink water quickly, using a technique called suction drinking, where they dip their beaks into the water and draw it up directly, unlike most birds, which must tilt their heads back to swallow. Pigeon reproduction is another fascinating aspect of their biology. Pigeons are monogamous, meaning that they form strong, lifelong pair bonds. Once a male pigeon has found a mate, he will perform an elaborate courtship display to attract her attention. This display includes puffing out his chest, bowing, and cooing in a soft, rhythmic manner. If the female is receptive, she will mate with him, and together they will build a nest, usually in a sheltered spot such as a building ledge, tree branch, or a cliff. The male and female pigeon take turns incubating their eggs, which are typically white and spherical in shape. After about 17 to 19 days, the eggs hatch, and the parents continue to care for their chicks, feeding them a special secretion known as pigeon milk. This secretion is produced by both the male and female pigeon and is rich in nutrients, providing the chicks with the nourishment they need to grow and develop. Pigeon chicks, known as squabs, are born blind and helpless, relying on their parents for warmth and food. As they grow, they gradually develop their feathers and become more independent, eventually leaving the nest to begin their own lives. Pigeons are highly protective of their nests and will aggressively defend them from potential threats, including other birds, predators, and even humans. The strong bond between pigeon parents and their offspring is a key aspect of their social structure and survival strategy. One of the most remarkable aspects of pigeons is their incredible navigation skills, particularly their homing ability. Scientists have long been fascinated by how pigeons can find their way back to their home roosts, even when transported over great distances or released from unfamiliar locations. Research suggests that pigeons use a combination of visual landmarks, the Earth's magnetic field, and even the sun's position to navigate. Some studies have also proposed that pigeons may be able to detect infrasound, low-frequency sounds that travel long distances, allowing them to sense weather patterns or distant geographic features. This ability to navigate with such precision has made pigeons invaluable as messenger birds, particularly during wartime, when they were used to deliver critical messages between military units. Pigeons also have an incredible sense of memory, allowing them to remember specific locations and individuals for extended periods of time. This memory is thought to play a crucial role in their homing ability, as pigeons are able to recall familiar routes and landmarks with remarkable accuracy. Their memory is not limited to just geographical locations. Pigeons are also capable of recognizing and remembering individual faces. Studies have shown that pigeons can distinguish between different human faces, and they are able to recognize those faces over time, even after long periods of separation. This ability is thought to be linked to their social intelligence, as pigeons often interact with one another and with humans in complex ways. While pigeons are often seen as a common, sometimes even nuisance, species in urban environments, they are actually incredibly resilient and capable of thriving in challenging conditions. Their ability to adapt to human-altered environments has allowed them to become one of the most widespread bird species in the world. However, their presence in cities has not always been welcomed, and in some areas, pigeons are considered pests due to their tendency to congregate in large numbers and their potential to damage buildings and structures with their droppings. Despite this, many people continue to appreciate pigeons for their beauty, intelligence, and history. In fact, there are entire communities of pigeon enthusiasts, known as pigeon fanciers, who breed and care for pigeons as a hobby. These individuals often participate in pigeon racing, a popular activity in which pigeons are trained to fly back to their home roosts from distant locations in the fastest time possible. Pigeon racing has been a long-standing tradition in many parts of the world and remains a beloved pastime in places like Belgium, the United Kingdom, and the United States. In terms of conservation, pigeons are generally not at risk of extinction, as their adaptability and wide distribution have allowed them to thrive in a variety of habitats. However, some species of pigeons are more vulnerable than others, particularly those that live on isolated islands or in regions with limited resources. For example, the passenger pigeon, once one of the most numerous bird species in North America, was driven to extinction in the early 20th century due to overhunting and habitat destruction. The extinction of the passenger pigeon serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving biodiversity and protecting bird species from the pressures of human activity. Today, conservation efforts focus on protecting the habitats of vulnerable pigeon species, as well as promoting sustainable practices that reduce the impact of human activity on wildlife. Pigeons continue to captivate the imaginations of people around the world. Their intelligence, remarkable homing ability, and social behavior make them one of the most interesting and versatile bird species. Whether as symbols of peace, companions in urban landscapes, or subjects of scientific research, pigeons have left an indelible mark on human culture and the natural world. Their presence in our cities and countryside is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, and their story is a reminder of the intricate connections between humans and the animal world.